Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We're out here tonight in Griswold, Connecticut because we got a call for a backed up main sewer line. It was backing up out of their basement shower. We diagnosed that it's backed up between their house and the tank. We went ahead and digged up the septic tank. We found the inlet baffle. So now we high pressure water jetted from this point going into the house. Pulled all kinds of gunk back into the tank where it needs to go. Now we're going to go ahead and video camera inspect and see what's going on with the line. Hey, welcome back. Thanks for checking out our channel. We high pressure water jetted, video camera inspected this line and find there's heavy scale buildup. At this point we recommend to do a resurfacing with equipment we have to be able to descale all the rust. But she's flowing good, she's happy, and when she's ready to make that decision she can. We appreciate you checking out our video. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.